Is your business model in great shape? A winning business model relies on key success factors, right? Let's have a look at 6 of them. Your unique selling proposition. You know what you sell, to whom, but why is it unique? Customer acquisition. Screen your customer acquisition and retention processes and identify what to improve. Human resources. How about describing and rating your internal talent and your teamwork efficiency? Operational excellence. Why is it critical? What is not outstanding? And what should you do to skyrocket operational excellence? Your partners. Who are they? To do what precisely? And why? How many? How much? Profit and loss. When did you recently review your cost structure and your sales streams? Any progress in sight? Now, how about your actions? I humbly suggest that you put these 6 key success factors, black on white, during a live session with your team members. And if you like, I can help you with the tools and the setup in a short Zoom session. Simply book me now. It's free for the first 10 participants. Book me now, it's easy. performvalue.com/Zoom. See you soon.